Liewe Karen, om vir Oranje netbal te speel is 'n groot voorreg. Om Oranje se eerste span netbalkaptein te wees is 'n nog groter voorreg. Mag hierdie netbalspan lei in hierdie jaar deur nederig te wees, deur hard te werk en deur 'n voorbeeld te stel. Geniet hierdie talent wat die Here jou gegee het. Dis in jou bloed.
You look like a movie. You sound like a song.
Was a
My God, this
brilliant
reminds me
matchup between these two
of when we were
teams.
young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we're a side of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young.